Hey people, first order of business is to take off this hair thingy. I had to use it for a picture, but it's not so much pretty on my hair. Except for when it's supposed to be there, which is like almost never. But I really don't want to bother you with the really boring details. So I'm going to try to get to the point quicker. First of all, Love to Cheer 12, thank you so much for all you've been doing for us. For those of you who are wondering, we've been making a million backgrounds and icons for them, and they've been thanking us sincerely, and we just want to thank you guys too. Once again, I'm not going to bore you with the really boring details. And I'm pretty sure my camera girl, Blair, is getting kind of tired of me rambling on. Yeah, I'm like over here snoring. Sorry, Blair. Oh yeah. Sterling, why are you being like really weird? What do you mean? You're like going yaw on camera. I'm not going yaw on camera. That's what you said 2 seconds ago. Oh. Don't worry about it. I'll just edit it out. Thank you. You're like the best sister ever. Get back on focus. Oh, okay. And pretty much, because I'm just going to ruin the rest of this video, I'm going to go ahead and cut it short. Because I'm going to start talking about really weird things, like how I wish that there was that fairies actually existed. Okay, I know you really don't wish that. You really like playing music. Okay, fine. So anyway, the first part of this video, or at least this section, was right. I am going to go ahead and stop this video. Well, Blair is. So, I'm outie. You're supposed to say thanks for watching. Oops. Thanks for watching. Good, she left. Okay, I just want to apologize for the way Sterling was behaving throughout this video. She had really sugary cereal for breakfast, and she keeps blaming it all on everyone. So we just want to say we're sorry for the way Sterling was behaving. But we just want to thank you all for everything you've done for us. Thanks for watching. Bye!